Okay, so day 2 of my build. Sorry about this, I'm not sure where to look in the camera. I must do a test in a minute to see actually where I'm supposed to be looking. I think I know where I'm looking. I think I should be looking at that. Yeah, but it's hard because you look at yourself. Nightmare. Right, day 2 of the build. I'm going to plop the engine in to the frame, just because that's the order I took it out in. So yeah, here it is on. You see it on the background in the bench there. Let's turn around and have a look. So that's the engine. I haven't really done anything to it. Clutch cover's off because I'm getting that powder coated. I haven't got that back yet. I've cleaned it, but I've not really done too much to it. The valve was coked up, so I've cleaned that out. Probably can't see actually, but yeah. Well, it moves now anyway. So that's all cleaned. I've given it a little bit of a, I say polish, just a really good clean, but not such an amazing job. It's going to shine, but it's better than it was. It's going to get dirty again in the future, so I'm not that bothered. So frame back in the bike. Right, here's one for you. I was painting these bits and bobs on there the other day, and that's just black hammerite. As I was painting them, one of those fell off right into the hammerite tin, so it was absolutely gunked in it. So basically, as they're parts that don't really matter, the scratchy tough parts, I thought, bollocks, I'm just going to dip them. I'm going to dip them in the hammerite tin, apart from the stand. I used a brush, but the rest of it has pretty much just been dipped straight in. They haven't come out too bad, although if you look closer at the brackets, catch the light, you can see the drip run on them. But I've got to be honest with you, for what I'm using it for, I'm not actually that bothered, as long as it's protected and easy to clean. So it is what it is. Bloody hell, it's cold. Right, I'm going to put some cardboard on here to try and protect the frame as best I can. I know when I got it out, it was a right struggle. So I presume it's going to be a struggle getting it back in. Here we go. What I haven't done, taking the bolts out. Let's take the bolts out. One bolt. Two bolts. Right. Attempt number 2. I've got the feeling this is going to take a few attempts. like that sound. Right, I'm inside. That's a start. Ouch! I think that might be it. Yep. Happy days. Right, bottom bolt. Good. I'm assuming it went in that way, but actually, I wonder if it goes in the other way. I don't know. I've got a diagram, I'll have a look. Right, second bolt. You can go in. Come on girl, get in there. Right. That goes there. That's tight. So, mistake number one. Don't tighten up the bottom bolt. Let's undo the bottom bolt. That's a good start, isn't it? Hopefully that will help, he says. Yeah, it's not moved yet. There you go. Yeah, that makes a difference. Right, okay. So based on that, I am not going to tighten any of them up until I've done the top tree. Let's do that now. Just bolt some bits on. You can see that, but see what I'm looking at. Yeah, so looking at that, it's not lining up straight away. So something's not right. I just don't know what yet. Let's figure it out. Right, okay, I think I figured it out. Basically, there's a lot more movement than you think there's going to be. Bloody hell. Right, so basically, the reason they don't line up is because there's a lot of movement. If you see, I've undone the bolts, not done up yet, it will line up. Just got to line them up. Right, so bike's on the stand, engine and frames on the stand, sorry. Engine bolts are done up. I've put some clamps on the stand here so it doesn't fall over, but I haven't got the forks yet. The forks and a rear shock I've sent into specialists to get them done, because I'll show you a clip or you can follow in, I'm not sure. The rear shock had no hydrogen in it, so I had to figure out what was wrong with that. That was what was wrong with that. When I took the forks out, they were at different heights. When you stood them up, there was about half-inch difference on them, so I was going to do it myself, but on that sort of thing, probably best off leaving it to someone who does it for a living, and he can set it up properly for me, so that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully the forks will be ready to pick up this weekend. Watch this space on that. Looking at the Samsung logo. Bottom part of the logo, top part of the logo.